Hey everyone! So today I just have a haul of a few things that I picked up at the mall. Some of these things are extra AF. Let me tell you, any chance that I get to be extra, I'm gonna take it. That includes wearing glitter on my face to public events. So I'll be trying on all these things, putting the sizes and the prices in the video, and yeah, all the good stuff. So let's get started. So first thing we have here is this denim jacket, and sorry I can't really show it to you. I'm literally straddling a clothing dresser right now. I love this jacket so much. So it's from Zara. I got it for sale for $29.99. I don't remember the regular price, I'll just put it in the video. This is a size medium. That was the only size that they had left. I got it online. What I love about this jacket is the baggy fit, one. Two, it's not like normal denim jackets with just buttons straight down. This one, it has a zipper and the collar reminds me of a motorcycle jacket. And also, third thing is there's this cool belt at the bottom of the jacket, so you can kind of like cinch it and make the waist a bit smaller. I just love this jacket. It's soft, it's warm. It is lined with faux shearling. I believe that's what it's called. And I just want to pet this all day. Next thing from Forever 21. This red dress. And I am in love with this dress. Well, I'm in love with everything I bought, but this is a red bodycon dress, but it also has a zipper in the back, an invisible zipper, and a hook closure at the top. It has like some sewing details on the side that kind of cinch in the waist. It is a stretchy material. It is quite short, goes down mid-thigh, around neck, short sleeves, and it's really comfortable. This is a great dress for going out, going to the buffet, because there's lots of room for your food baby. So this lovely little number is in a size large, and I believe it was $33.90. Yes, it was $33.90 Canadian dollars, because I live in Canada. Don't tell anyone I told you. Also from Forever 21, this purse. This reminds me of like, I don't know, like a 60s kind of style purse. I'm really feeling the red right now. Just red dress, red nails, red eyeshadow, red purse. It is like this fake patent leather kind of look because it's all shiny, has gold detailing, has like this gold buckle in the front. Funny story about this. I could not figure out how to open this bag at all. I was like pressing these buttons at the front. I could not figure it out. I went to my friend Jane because she was there shopping with me. She tried to open it. She could not figure it out. So we were both standing there like idiots. This lady beside us like, "Excuse me, I think you just..." And she opened the bag that easily. Like, I was mortified because I felt really embarrassed. That's how you know that I don't really buy many purses. I have a backpack, okay? So there's no like other pockets on the inside. It's just a little purse with a cute little handle. And there's these two places on the side, and it came with a longer strap so you can attach it there. It was the same price as the dress, $33.90. I cannot pass this up. This is just adorable. I had to get it. Also from Forever 21, because I gave all my money to Forever 21, these earrings. And these are like the most outrageous and eye-catching earrings ever. They're huge. They're like these two angel wings, but like each little feather is a crystal, and some of them are iridescent, which I just love. Just like this pastel rainbow amazingness. The rest of it is like gold, and because they're huge, they have like these cuffs on the back to clip onto your ear. I've been wearing them to school because I'm extra, and I get a lot of compliments about them because they're just that amazing. You'll draw all the attention in the room, like if you hadn't already, with glitter on your face. So these earrings were $12.90 and worth every penny. But we don't use pennies here. They discontinued them a while ago. And surprise, surprise, another thing from Forever 21. And this is glitter. And who am I kidding? I already opened it. Like, why am I holding the packaging? But it's confetti metallic glitter. It was $1.90. There's 2 packs of glitter. One of them is like these rainbow ones. that say happy birthday. The other one, which is on my face, are the silver stars, and I bought it for the silver stars because I really wanted to put them on my face. So yeah. So our very last thing, also from Forever 21. This should be titled Forever 21 haul plus one thing from Zara. But it is these jeans. They are navy blue jeans with some stretch. And these are the only thing that I actually got like a good deal on. So originally they were $30.90, and then they were marked down to $12, and then they were also having a buy one get one sale at the Forever 21. So my friend got a shirt and I got these jeans, and we split the money. So I got these for $6 before tax. I love how they're stretchy because I got thick ass thighs and they need some stretch. And also I like to go eat a lot, so you know, gotta make room for that food, baby. They're just like pretty standard jeans with like a button, the zip fly. There's actual real pockets, which I'm so excited for, because the last jeans I got were from H&M and they had no pockets in the front, which was ridiculous because where the fuck am I supposed to put stuff? They're a bit long for me. These are size 31. I thought it was a size 32, but they had no size 32 in the store, so I tried these and they fit perfectly, so I guess I'm a size 31. Surprise. Yeah, they're a bit long. I just rolled them up on the bottom, which is fine because that's pretty much all my jeans, because I'm kind of short but I'm kind of chubby, so yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this try-on haul brought to you by Glitter Hoe. And if you have any questions about sizing or shipping from Zara, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. And subscribe if you want to see my ugly ass in your subscription box next week. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!